In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a QR code scan UI prototype in Figma. Start by creating a simple scanner interface on your canvas. Design a basic screen with a scanning area, a scan button, and any elements you want to include in your QR code scanner UI. Next, create a second frame that represents the scanning state. This can include a scanning line, loading animation, or any visual effect that simulates the QR code being scanned. Create a third frame for the successful scan result. You can display a confirmation message, product information, or a success screen. Now, switch to the Prototype tab. Select the Scan button in the first frame. Drag the prototype connection to the second frame. Set the trigger to On Tap. Choose Navigate to as the action. Set the animation to Smart Animate with Ease In and a duration of 300 milliseconds. Next, select the second frame and connect it to the third frame. Set the trigger to After Delay. Enter 800 milliseconds as the delay. Choose Navigate to as the action. Set the animation to Smart Animate with a duration of 500 milliseconds. To create a continuous scanning effect, connect the third frame back to the second frame. Set the trigger to After Delay and enter 800 milliseconds. Choose Navigate to and keep the same Smart Animate settings. Once everything is connected, click the Present button to preview your prototype. Tap the Scan button and watch the interface transition through the scanning process automatically. You can customize the animations, delays, colors, and UI elements to create a more realistic QR code scanning experience. And that's it! You've successfully created a QR code scan UI prototype in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.